Hey, Wally. Time to get to work. All right, Wally, are you ready for this? You know, Wally, we have a lot of skills. I don't think reskinning the roof of Chiles is one of them. Why don't we bring in some experts? So with us today, we have Dan Frakes from Anderson Roofing and Joe Cates from University Facility Services. What exactly are we doing to our beloved Chiles Center?
Well, we're going to install a new roof system.
We're going to wrap the entire roof with 8 foot by 4 foot, a lightweight ISO board. And then we're going to wrap the entire thing in this 80 millimeter TPO membrane.
I want this done before our students arrive. So tell me a little bit more about the timeline.
We're going to do our best to try and get this done before the students arrive, but we're not going to do it at the jeopardy of the quality of this roof, that's for sure.
Excellent, excellent. And why is this facility so important?
Ask just about anyone in Portland. This is an iconic facility, not just to the students and the student athletes who use it every single day.
Well, I want to say, I look forward to you all seeing a new Chiles Center, a building that we love a lot, an icon for the institution, and something that means so much to so many of us. Thank you so much. God bless each and every one of you, and go Pilots!